back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this very, I don't want to say simple, but easy to create angel and devil makeup look. I got a lot of requests to do something like this because I hear a lot of people want to be angels and devils this year. So here is this tutorial. I really loved how this turned out. It kind of trips me out when I look at my face and I see like that it's different on each side. I'm one of those people that hate to have things like not matching. I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I think it looks so good. I was gonna do like a different lip, but then I figured
better not.
yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Also follow me on my social media, which I'll have linked here as well as down below in the description box as always. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Hey guys, so in today's tutorial, we're gonna be doing a half angel and half devil, like really simple Halloween look that you can kind of create and make your own to as you see fit. I didn't want to do anything like too extravagant for, you know, some people just don't like to do crazy Halloween looks, so I just don't know which one I want to be. I think this one will be angel and this one will be devil, but actually that makes a lot of sense. This is my good side, so she will be the angel, this will be the devil because the worst. Anyways, that's a good way to choose. First things first, I think I'm gonna start off with the angel side, which is gonna be this side. I just have like a bunch of stuff in front of me that I'm like, what am I doing with all of it? But pretty much I'm going in with the James Charles palette. Shocker, I know I use this palette a lot, but it's really good and also like really great for the price. I'm gonna be picking up on this light brown shade right here. I'm gonna use it as a transition color in my crease. Okay. And I'm really gonna like kind of smoke it out. Just use a little bit at a time. That's what's key. A little bit of eyeshadow at a time. You wanna like go ham. And I'm really like winging this shadow out. Oh! That would've been bad. I almost went on the other eye. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Summer palette. I think I'm gonna pick up on these two colors right here. Pack that on just the outer part of my eyelid. Perfect. Now I'm going to pick up on some glitter glue. I'm going to put it on my hand. This one's by Too Faced. I'm going to pick up this and like a little flat concealer brush. Oh shoot. I'm going to dab that on my eyelid. Then I'm taking up this like really soft white gold. So next I'm going to be going in with white eyeliner. This one's from NYX. A line across our lid, our lash line. Just like that. What we're going to do next is actually create like an angel wing. Ooh, that looks so cool. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this MAC glitter. It's called Reflex Gold. If you know me, you know I really hate working with glitter. For this tutorial, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. So, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm gonna take that glitter glue again, load it up on my brush, and cut out right up here and dab it. Oh my god, this is gorge. Maybe I'll work with glitter more often. Don't want me to do that though. Seriously, don't. Now I'm going to be taking a NYX pencil white eyeliner because I really don't want to screw up this part. I'm going to be drawing a little halo. Now I'm going to go over it really carefully with this white eyeliner. So that's that for the angel side for right now. I'm gonna move on to the devil. I'm gonna be picking up on this red shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm picking up a black eyeshadow and then packing that on the lid. I'm gonna take a really teeny pencil brush. Okay, so a little learning experience just happened. So pretty much what I did is the red liquid lipstick was not showing up on my, like, the black eyeshadow, so I took the white eyeliner and then I made it to like the little double tail, and now I'm just gonna go over it with a liquid lipstick. So for the liquid lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia American Doll liquid lipstick. Now, as we did the halo here, we're gonna do devil horns here. I kind of already mapped it out with the white liner. So I personally hated how these turned out, but at that point for me it was far too late, so I kind of just rolled with it. But my recommendation would be to have them spaced out a little bit more and probably not have them as big. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna pop on mascara and eyelashes and I'll be right back and we'll finish up the rest of the face. Okay, so we're just gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna use the same light brown color I used in my crease on the angel side underneath my eye. With an angle brush, I'm just gonna go in with a slightly darker color. And then I'm gonna take the red on the devil side. I'm gonna take this red lip pencil. With the angled brush, I'm going to take this and the black and just really little right at the lower lashes. Sometimes I'm not sure if I speak English in these tutorials because, like, Lord knows what I say half the time.
In my mind, I'm gonna use the Anastasia American Lotion.
But what I'm trying to say is just put a little bit right at the lower lashes. On the angel side, I'm just gonna take this NARS like nude pencil. Using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I'm gonna put a little bit on my lower lashes. Okay, now to contour and bronze up my face, I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Bronzing Powder in Toasty. For blush, on the angel side, I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Winter Kissed blush. On the devil side, I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics Virginity blush. For highlight, they're both going to be the same one, and I'm using Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive. So for lips, I'm going to start off with the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. And then for gloss, I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics Always Shining High Gloss. So this is the final result. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Also leave a comment down below and tell me which one are you more like. Are you more like the angel or are you more like the devil? I would say I'm a 50-50. Depends on the day you get me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.